My beautiful and amazing people, hey, wonders they say it shall never end. Oh, may God no allow us carry our hand go buy markets wey pass us, because at the end of the day, we will just be in regret that can never return back to how it used to be. My people, no be small thing o. AY the comedian wey come to Two-Face rescue don finally hear everything put together as Two-Face finally confess everything to am concerning him and Natasha. My people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter wey dey ground. Honorable Natasha really dey do a lot o. If this information is correct, na im be say Two-Face don enter ogbono soup. Na how im go take come out now, whether na draw me I draw you like pomo wey don tey inside, or na to just carry the ogbono throway am na im go remain. Even though if you throway ogbono soup, e go still get some wey go remain enter pot. Na im be this one wey we never know how Two-Face go take comot inside. Before I go cap una the koko of the cocoa lane, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had to so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ugbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small drama, no be small wonder, so no be small thing. Nine Natasha they use Two-Face I take see for inside that house. From house arrest, e don enter another level. So they hold Two-Face phone. E no dey comot with phone. At some point, they don't forgive her in sins. E don finally dey regain himself. House wey house help dey, securities dey, everybody dey. Na Two-Face na dey go message allegedly according to the story. Now Two-Face was now sent by Natasha to go and buy her some stuff. Na Two-Face happy o, say they don send am make him use the opportunity take gbowoso, make e take am run as usual. The way im take run the first time, wey dem go capture am, carry am come house, come give am house arrest. This time around, e wan use uncoded because e know say the first time na quarrel dem quarrel wey make am comot. This time around, dem no quarrel. Na send she send am message. Na Two-Face o, e use that opportunity take pack im ATM card, im checkbook, and everything that has to do with money matter. Na those ones na im collect, because if he say you wan dey go dey find clothes, dey find this, dey find that, at the end of the day, they go capture am say im wan run away. But where im fail to understand be say Natasha dey for even Two-Face future at this point in time, because the more wey im dey plan, the more she is ahead of him. Now she send am message say make him go buy something for her. Two-Face don pack wetin im wan pack with the hope say im no go come back house. From there, e go catch a road. Not knowing say as e dey go that message, na so Natasha too send people make dem follow am. The same people wey she get for that house wey dey do security for her, na the same people she send make dem follow Two-Face, without the Two-Face knowing say people are trailing him. Now e go, e don pass the particular place, because Natasha tell the security say, see where im send Two-Face go, see where im send Two-Face go. You see say her instincts was not wrong. Like she know what she was, her mind already dey tell her say na the kind person, na how wetin you wan do be this. Maybe na even make she send her that message, she use am test the microphone. But at the end of the day, Two-Face fall victim of exactly wetin she talk say im wan do. Now, as if that was not enough, Two-Face come go. E pass the place where they send a message. They go. E don dey burst out for another place. Now they come call Natasha. Now Natasha say no be where she send am go be that, but make dem still dey follow am. They come dey follow am. They see say Two-Face don dey pass boundary. E don dey pass where they no even expect. As they call Natasha, now Natasha say no. With all this explanation wey dem do, this particular place now, Two-Face family member, nobody dey this place. So for that reason, make dem go now go capture Two-Face. Make dem capture am. From there shey she go call make dem capture am say she go call police make dem come collect Two-Face from there. Na im the people say im bodyguards dem dey say okay no problem. Before you know na so dey just from nowhere dey just dey like people according to the information. See dem dey like people wey be say dem dey come wele people. Before you know na so dem enter Two-Face front. Na small remain make Two-Face Natasha car wey im carry big dis thing car wey she dey use dey go office wey im carry. Na so e remain small e for hit the other car wey the bodyguards dem carry comot. Now dem come stop am. Two-Face come dey fear say na so Nigeria wan take happen to am. Dey say he was scared of his life. Before you know those people calm down. Immediately dey calm down, Two-Face see say na the same people from where im dey come from na. E come dey ask dem say what happen? Why are you people following me? What have I done wrong? Before you know na so dey carry am from the other car now put am for the other car wey dem dey carry come carry one of dem put for inside the Natasha car wey Two-Face take comot. Na so dem drive am go station. As dem reach station na so dem report am there o. Dem leave am there say make dem lock am up. Wetin be im offence according to Natasha's report? Dat Two-Face want to carry her car and run away. Wonders dey say e shall never end. The same man wey dey show am love, the same man that a woman almost become mumu because of am, the same man wey talk say e no fit spend 10 more years with Annie, e no fit spend forever with Annie, say im go add 10 more years. The same man wey feel say Annie is not good enough, she is a nagging woman, she disturbs him from doing the things that he used to do. Na the same man now na im don dey hear am hot left and right, front, back and center. Dem dey put am for im body woto. So that's why they say if you don't know the value of what you have, the day wey you go lose am, even you no go even get mouth to talk say na how the matter take be me be this. Na im be the thing o. As police una know say as dem dey do their thing normally upper hand na im o. As Natasha na honourable na, she get upper hand well. Na so dem capture Two-Face. Say shebi you want to run away abi? You want to run away with your wife's car abi? Where do you want to go to? They start dey ask am, dey interrogate am, dey question am, dey do so many things. Before you know, Two-Face say no be run, he wan run away. He was still standing on the fact that he doesn't want to run away. Say he wan check up on him friend. Say him wife even send am message. So he wan check up on him friend before he go buy the message wey she send am. No be run, he wan run. Based on say they no allow am reach him destination before they capture am. He was still standing on say he no wan run away. Before you know, they say they go lock am up o, make him bring Shorty. Before they go release am, he go come with Shorty. We go come stand with am, I stand for am, because he go come station the next day. If not, he go sleep for inside station. They say Two-Face look left, look right, because ever since Natasha came into the picture, she don't pursue virtually everybody from Two-Face life. You don't pursue everybody. Only she won't dominate. Only she won't be the alpha female. Only she won't be mama, won't be papa, won't be auntie, won't be uncle, won't be everything for Two-Face life. Won't be friend. Anywhere where Two-Face they go, you go follow her. Even if friends they around, she go one day there, hear conversation. Whereas not knowing say, this one, I get some time where we say friends go on discuss some kind things. They want to be happy. They want to jolly. They don't want women interference. But no, Natasha dey everywhere. She no want make dem spoil Two-Face. She no want make Two-Face carry woman matter for head. She no want make dem carry woman come give Two-Face. All those things put together, all because of say your hand no clean, because of the way they say the way it take come, na so you go take go. No be the same thing wey Rosie and Olakunle Churchill na. No be the way Rosie take come now, na she dey go so. The same method na Olakunle Churchill wey im use for Tonto Dike, na im still use for Rosie. Meaning say you no fit keep man wey never ready to keep. No matter how you kpapo am, no matter how you dey use ekelebe dey pursue am up and down. Once the time is right, the time is right. Now they say Two-Face look left, look right. The next person wey come in mind is say na AY Makun, the comedian. He come call am say to abeg, he go need am, and if he dey come, make him bring a driver's license or anything wey be say if he photocopy, give the police so that they go fit release am for him to come the next day. Na him AY say before you know, na so AY drive, e start dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. Before you know, to the glory of God, before they close office on that particular day, the AY don come give them in driver's license, so that they go fit, because you go need to bring person wey get high reputation and wey e get a lot to lose, so that if they no see you, they go hold the person. Na the essence of getting a shorty, somebody to stand for you be that, so that if they no see Two-Face, they go for AY. So na AY take come give am im own, give the police ID card, so that they go fit release Two-Face. Na Two-Face come dey expose everything. He say im eye really dey see a lot for that house. He cannot have his own opinion to things. He cannot have a say. Anytime wey he wan talk, before you know, securities go dey there. Na so if him and Natasha dey get argument, securities don burst. If he wan talk, na so securities go dey for im head, so that if he talk anyhow, they go tell the securities make dem do am wetin no good. Say ever since he enter into this marriage, it's been one drama or the other. Say that is why he be dey beg AY make he help am talk to Annie, make Annie forgive am im sins. Say if na because of the sins wey he commit to Annie, wey make God dey punish am the way he dey punish am like this, that he is sorry. Say na all those things, im mouth cannot even say wetin im eye dey see for inside that house. Still see am now, say im just even wan comot, get time for himself, make im head fit calm. That is the essence of him going out on this particular day, using the opportunity say to she don free am, make him use am comot. He no even wan run away, but he just wan go a place where he go rest him head, make him dey alright. He go come back. He no fit run away from him house and him responsibility. But still, Natasha say he wan steal car. You know wetin allegation of stealing means? He wan spoil him name and him reputation. See as a legend, see the way they talk to am anyhow for police custody. See how police just dey drag am like I pass my neighbor generator, like say na common person wey no belong anywhere. Say haba. No, say Natasha too do for this one, that she went too far. She went too far. Now they say AY say to him is short of words. He doesn't know what to say concerning this, based on say na still marriage matter. Make he no come go too chook mouth now. Two-Face will come go tell Natasha wetin him talk, they go use and settle. But him believe say anything wey get beginning go definitely get an end. Anyhow wey you want take be, they go know how they go settle their differences. Say the most important thing is that at least he no sleep for inside cell. Make him go back house, go and sin no more. Now I say, you see men, God no go allow us see you. Because if it happen, at that time you go know to say what I ordered versus what I got, where I am coming from. We make they to say make you dey very, very careful with relationship. If you dey jump enter another one, make you make sure say you know wetin you dey jump enter. Because sometimes your ex go even better pass your present. Now be this one so. And the Natasha, based on the way she take come too, she just dey insecure when it comes to Two-Face. Wetin you really, because na fine man, abi because of say he no dey talk. Now remember say when the Two-Face do birthday, abi na the Natasha do birthday, the mama talk and say Two-Face type is hard to come by. Is it because he don't used to talk and he used to accept all her excesses, all her drama put together? Now he make Natasha dey treat am like this. She no even wan let am go. She no wan allow am get peace. Omo, na wow. Two-Face say he need help. Say he need help. He no fit even run to him family right now, because anytime we be say he run to them, if they won't take action, before you know, they go later settle. We make AY now they stand say he no go fit defend Two-Face for this matter, because they go use and settle last and at the same thing, because anytime when your family won't come step in, won't come carry the matter for her, Two-Face go they talk say may they forgive and Natasha, maybe she don't come cry now talk a lot, or she don't use her pets to look at him, he go change mouth, he go say no, may they forgive her. See her nana, my people. Now the matter be this so AY say he know the chook mouth for husband and wife matter, because in own self he never come up from inside. Up to today they see the drag her, even though in ex-wife don't move on, Mabel. Still, people once in a while they see the dragon put for inside matter. So he no one chook mouth for inside Two-Face family matter. They go know how they go settle, and God will give him the wisdom to know how to settle it all. My people, what are your take in all of this? Una still feel say na karma, abi get another thing where we no know where they happen for inside this very marriage like this. So Two-Face say he need help. Make una put am for una prayer, abeg. If una get any ways to put am, because e really don't be. If all this information is correct, I think what Two-Face family need to do, e pass prayer, na to take action. If Two-Face too go give them the chance to, because they don't try. Two-Face go later say forgive, forgive. No be forgiving matter o. Abi wetin una think? Make una come, make we interact. Give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.